everyone, this is Alex Gosse, social media team lead for Craft Resin and owner of Magically Resin. I'm going to show you today how I do my marble technique, and it is just such a blast to do basically in any shape of mold, but I really like a container like this egg shape to do it in. I started off by getting my craft resin nice and warm before I mixed A and B, and then I mixed equal parts A and B measured by volume, and then I let it sit for a bit to degas, and I added in some interference mica powder, and I gave it a really good mix before I did anything else. It is very important if adding dry mica powder to make sure that you really get a good mix on it. And then the way I like to do the marble technique is I use 2 different colors of alcohol ink typically, and I use silicone oil. So what you see here is clear resin plus interference mica added to it, and then black alcohol ink, white alcohol ink, and silicone, and very lightly mixed in the cup, and then I pour it right into the egg shape. Last thing that I like to do with any mold this shape with any type of resin mixture is make sure and squish the bottom so that you don't have any bubbles on the edge. And you shouldn't have any bubbles with craft resin, but if you go through the bottom and do this process on any of these container type molds, you'll have a much better success in case an air bubble got trapped during the pour. I really like to demold this type of container item when it's still a little bit soft, especially any type of resin molds where you're going to have parts that fit together. I really find it so much better to do the demold when they're still just a little bit soft and squishy, because then you can really get, mechanically you can get the parts fit together really well. I thank you so much for joining me today, and we would love it if you like, share, and subscribe our content. Have an awesome day.